Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily display battery percentage so you always know what is happening, right? So what you want to do is just hold somewhere here in a like empty space on your iPhone 14, then go to top left and you're gonna find plus here, and then you're gonna find the widgets here. And when you're gonna scroll down below, you're gonna have a batteries here, you see? Click on it, and then you're gonna have the widgets here. This widget or this one. So I'm going to choose this one and I'll click add a widget, and voila. Here what I can do is to simply find it right here. And that's pretty much it, right? So you can edit home screen, remove the widget, and you can add it wherever you want. So this is pretty much it how you can do it. And this is how you can display battery percentage in iPhone 14. So thank you very much guys for watching. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.